In this video, you will learn how to add a business email address to your YouTube channel in 2021. Open a web browser like Google Chrome. Go to www.youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in with your account to YouTube. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and go to YouTube Studio. On the left side of the screen, click on Customization. Click on Basic Info. And go to Contact Info. Let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address you enter may appear in the About section of your channel and may be visible to viewers. Add your email address and click on Publish. Congratulations! Now you know how to add a business email address to your YouTube channel.